Hey, it's Brittany, and I'm here at the brand new Stella Nova resort. This is actually opening day of Stella Nova, and I'm so excited. I'm here staying the night. You'll see my other videos. If not, they probably come out first. But this is my resort tour, official resort tour here at Stella Nova. So there's a bus coming on. Beep the bus. But yeah, this is on Epic property. I can see Epic from upstairs to this resort. It's amazing. But I want to show you guys this brand new resort. So let's go give it an awesome resort tour. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, so this is where you get dropped off if you are taking, well, like just getting dropped off. The buses are over here. That's where this nice bus is going through that just went by us. So that is where you catch these. You just come out here, take a right from the main lobby, and there's the buses to go to Universal proper. But yeah, this resort is, it's just beautiful. Even on this gloomy day, it is. The colors are so bright and vibrant. It is stunning. So let's head in here. There's this really cool door, which I have to pay attention to not hurt myself in, so got my little feetsies off. All right. Yay. It's a really fun way to enter this resort. All right. So here is a look at the lobby. It is buzzing with activity. We have luggage and bell services. Hi. And then over here we have the Universal Studios store. So you're gonna have a lot of Epic merch over here. This is all brand new, which is amazing. Take a look at some of the merch in here. So you're gonna have some like regular swimwear and summerwear stuff. And you're gonna get into the actual Epic stuff, which is so fun to see. This shirt is amazing. All the Toothless stuff is so cute. All the Nintendo stuff is really cool to see as well. I love it. All the Peach stuff is really fun. Toad, so fun. I love it. They have some Harry Potter stuff in here as well. I like this shirt a lot. For Dark Universe, it's so cool. More Harry Potter stuff, so like the Harry Potter snacks. Some Ministry of Magic stuff, which is really cool. Super fun. All of the house stuff. And then we have the Epic stuff over here. Oh, I like these little suspenders. That's cool. Suspenders and bow ties. You can get wands here as well. Not a ton of them, but they have a selection. And the Epic Universe merchandise, which is really cool. I like this Spirit jersey. It's very light weight, which is really cool for $84. Some headbands, some hats, some pants, a blanket. Yeah, really fun merch in here. A lot to offer, which is great. Let's head back out. Ooh, and some cool like reusable bags. Let's head back out into the main lobby so we can keep going with our tour. Like I said, it's opening day, so it's quite busy in here. But over here we have the check-in desk to my left. We have Vacation Planning Center to my right. Again, it is so spacey and awesome and clean cut, like clean. It's very, very cool. I like the vibes in here. It's really, really awesome. We have the Nova bar over here. Get some cosmic drinks. Very fun. And then if we take a left, we have some seating areas. Restrooms this way. Uh-oh, I turned the music on. Cosmos Cafe and Market is just around this corner. So this is like your beverages and the like really quick grab and go stuff. So like little bottles, like actual like prepackaged food is in here as well. Just some fun snacks if you're looking for some snacks, some alcohol, kind of that more drinks and stuff. And then over here is more seating. There's a lot of seating in this area, which is really great. This is like more of the actual like food area. So you'll order your food here, stuff like a burger, a pickle fried chicken sandwich. Oh wow, that sounds good. Grilled cheese, pulled pork sandwich, chicken parmesan sandwich, classic turkey BLT, and a veggie wrap. Pretty nice. They even have Stella Nova mugs, like refillable mugs here, which is awesome. And then you basically order here and you pick up over here at order pickup. Very cool themed. I really do like the theming in this resort. It's gorgeous. Very pretty. I like all the galaxies around. It's pretty stunning, I'm not gonna lie. Lots of seating, like I said, for... Oh, over here it's actually Starbucks. Well, not a full Starbucks. Wait, just kidding. The drinks that I showed you guys. They have Starbucks drinks as well as other things. So they have like coffee and stuff like that. So That's pretty amazing. I'm gonna walk down this hallway. I think it's just the bathrooms, but we're just gonna walk this little hallway. So I think it just takes you back to the food area. And I'll show there's a set of bathrooms over here. Yeah, this just takes you back to the food. Oh, there's the restrooms with a water bottle fill up, ATM if you need it. And it was just the back way back into the restaurant area that we just saw. So there's a lot of good amenities here. Good food, lots of seating. It's pretty great. I really enjoy how open and airy it is in here. These seats are really cool. They just look cool. I don't know, it just looks cool. All the lighting is really cool. I like the chandeliers above like the bars and stuff. But it is a beehive of activity for opening day. Gonna keep walking over here. This is the other end of the Universal store. And then right now we have people meeting and greeting with some trolls, which is really fun. Fun little touch. And then we have some elevators over here to take you up to your room. Okay, so on floor 3, you can find like the galaxy ceiling, and this is actually so cool. Wow. It's the simple things that make me impressed. But the fact that they did this is cool. I wish they do it on more floors, but this is really pretty to walk through. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. I love it. Just these little touches that I've really enjoyed about this resort so far. We're gonna explore more, but this is so cool. It's so fun. So space. It's like I'm getting lost in space.
Do you want a picture?
Okay, let's see. Oh, goodness. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Where's the light? Okay. Let's show you guys this. This is cool.
All right, this is
Mirror.
the initial reaction, but I'm gonna back out and let Brittany do it.
This is, okay, light. Hello? Okay, I gotta figure out how to turn the lights on. Ah, okay. What is this? What? You can like split. What? This is gorgeous.
It's giving.
What?
Yeah, it's giving spacious.
The high ceilings.
This is insane.
I mean, we're on the top floor, so I don't know if all the ceilings are this high, but this is beautiful. Let me turn this little lamp on and everything. I'll show you guys like a nice. So we got the TV on already, the Kelly Clarkson show. Shout out Kelly Clarkson. This is our view again of the pool. Which is a really nice view. We can see the convention center, SeaWorld. I'll try to find a window so we can see Epic. They didn't have any theme park view, Epic views available when I booked, which is totally fine. But yeah, we're on technically Epic property right now. So this is pretty insane. Look at the carpet. Wow, this is just like clean and tidy. And you have a lot of USBs and plugins. Looks like there's wireless charging here on like the clock. Wow. I really like this mirror. Mural. I'm gonna say wow like 1,000 times. Also love the color of these pillows. I love like a coral orange. Orange is my favorite color, so I'm here for it. Look at how much space we have. And then some drawers. They also send you a text message when you check in, and you can literally text the front desk anything. So if you need towels or anything, you literally just send that front desk a text message, and they'll send them up to your room because my phone number is attached to our room. So that was a really cool thing. I don't know if that happens at every Universal resort, but I was like, that's cool. Our little mini fridge, beverage cooler, coffee, Cuisinart coffee. Wow. I just like all the touches in here. Oh, Stella Nova soap. Stella Nova soap. Can I turn the mirror on? I feel like it should. Oh, I guess it is kind of lighting up. Okay, bathroom time. Nice small bath. Not small, it's a good sized bathroom. I like the glass shower. I enjoy that it's not a curtain. This makes it feel a little bit more luxurious. We got some Stella Nova amenities here as well, which is really cool. Extra towels above the toilet, obviously the toilet. We have this like room divider, so if someone like is getting ready. Oh wait, can I? Oh, Okay, so it literally just darkens it a little bit, which is kind of nice, or some privacy when you're getting ready. This is really nice. I am very, very impressed. Oh, the closet. It's like sleek and modern too. I am not mad. This is great. Safe places to store your stuff. Extra blankets and pillows. Yeah, I really enjoy this. And then if you got an adjoining room, obviously here. But I also enjoy like the full length mirror so you can check out your outfit before you head out for the day. Nice lit up. You have a hair dryer in here as well, which is great. Extra towels here. I like that the tissue box is sparkly. I'm so weird. But yeah, this is absolutely stunning. Give you one more look at the whole thing. I am in love. This is incredible. If we keep walking this way, we have the game room and fitness room. This is such a beautiful, it smells new, it's clean. This is the game room, open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. I'll just peer in there. Not super huge, but ooh, what is that? I don't know what that is, a rec center area. And then we have the fitness center, 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Looks like a lot of brand new equipment, obviously being a brand new resort. Some people playing around with equipment in there, so I'm not gonna go in there, but very fun and open from, like I said, 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Also, the hallways and the floor is really fun in here. I really have enjoyed walking around this resort so far. So let's head back over to the main lobby and we'll head outside. Okay, so back out into the main lobby and we're actually gonna go outside. So to the left of the Nova bar, we're just gonna walk out this set of doors here. So if you go left, you're gonna go to like the cafe area and the market. We're actually gonna just hibbity hop right out here. Stella Nova. And this is the pool area. Ooh, it's starting to rain a little bit out here. So it's kind of a blustery day, but this is the pool deck. It is massive, by the way. You can enter outside for the fitness and the game center, like the game room over here. But this is huge. I forgot I have to have my room key out to get in here, so let me get my room key out of my bag real quick. So I'll let you guys peep the pool for a second. Where's my key? There it is. All right, let's go into the pool area. Okay, first thing we come across is the Galaxy Grill, which doesn't have a menu, so I'm guessing it is a mobile order system. I'm not completely 100% sure, but it seems like it is. I don't know, but look at this giant pool. It is huge, and it just keeps going. And there is so much seating for everyone, it's insane. We've got tables, we've got loungers, towels. Just look at the resort, it's gorgeous. Music pumping. It is a zero entry pool, I think all the way around. There's some steps, but mostly zero entry, which is great. We have like little pool games out here. Just honestly, such a big space. I mean, this is a giant resort, so it makes sense, but look at all the lounge chairs that are out here. And we have some like pool deck games. It's really a good amount of space back here. So you really shouldn't have a problem finding a chair even in the dead of summer. But yeah. Oh, is there sand? Is there sand over here? Stop it right now. Let's go over here. It's like big old Jenga over here. Yeah, there's like a sand bar over here. Some ping pong. You can play in the sand. Your kiddos can play in the sand. Some Connect 4, some hula hoops. Yeah, just some really fun things to get to do out here for the whole family. So let's walk back this way towards the bar, the Galaxy bar. There's also restrooms over here as well as a Coke freestyle machine if you have your resort mugs like you saw in there, the Stella Nova ones. So let's keep walking this way. Some life jackets for the kiddos. Really good, like I said, good amenities over here. More tables, so if you get food over at the bar, you can take it out here. Yeah, the pool is great though. It's again massive. It's incredible. We have a hot tub. Some people are in the hot tubs. I won't show it too much, but hot tub. And then the bar with the grill. You can get obviously the stuff over at Galaxy Grill, and the bar's over here. So this is super fun. Really good vibes at this resort so far. This bar is great as well. Tons of seating, and you're undercover. So like right now it's raining, so it's great to have this option of under the cover. And restrooms here, like I said, and yeah, order picker for the Galaxy Grill is right here. And then just look at this stunning resort. It is stunning. And that's gonna do it for me for this resort tour of the brand new Stella Nova resort. It is so pretty. I am so excited to get to stay here on opening day. So glad I got to show you guys everything. There's just so much to do, which I'm so excited. But yes, this resort is beautiful, totally worth a stay. It's actually pretty like decently priced too. And being able to be on epic property is incredible. So I hope you guys love this resort tour. Hit a like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys real soon. Bye!